Aloha from beautiful Hawaii. Today we are up on the North Shore and we will compare the most famous shrimp trucks that we have up here. Romys, Fumys and Giovanni's. Giovanni's being the oldest shrimp truck here on Oahu. So we will compare the shrimp and see who has the biggest shrimp, where is it pricey, and what has the most flavor. Let's do it. Fumys was the only shrimp truck where we could order over the phone ahead of time. The food was ready when we got there. There was a big sink to wash your hands and the bathroom was clean. Giovanni's is the oldest shrimp truck on Oahu. Therefore, it's very popular and a lot of times very crowded. The line moved very quickly. There was a sink to wash your hands. Unfortunately, the bathroom was very old and dirty. Romys definitely had the longest line and it moved very slowly. They had two small sinks to wash your hand and the bathroom facilities were brand new. Yeah, here to my left and behind me, this is one of the ponds where they raise the shrimp and then you can eat them up here on the North Shore at the food trucks. Let's do this. At Fumys, you get the most bang for your buck. The shrimp is on the buttery side. Giovanni's has the smallest shrimp, but you get 12 of them instead of only 8. Giovanni's shrimp has the most garlic. A lot of rice and free soy sauce come with your 8 shrimp. Although Giovanni has the smallest shrimp, you get 12 per serving. 8 bigger shrimp at Romys and Fumys. Mahalo for watching this North Shore Shrimp Truck test with DanielsHawaii. If you're interested in tours on Oahu, Maui, Hawaii, please get in touch with us, DanielsHawaii.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the newest and latest updates about Hawaii. Aloha and mahalo.